to teach you how to use SQL injection union attack to retrieve multiple values in a single column. So let's get started. So this is a website in which I need to find all the usernames and the passwords which this website has. So I'll just go to pets. If for example I'm using this pets filter and I notice that this parameter is vulnerable to SQL injection. So now I'm just going to get started. I'll turn my interceptors on and I'll reload this, and I'm going to set this request to the repeater and I'll turn this off. Over here I'll try and firstly check the number of columns which are there by dash union plus dash plus union select plus null comma null dash dash. Let's first do this, and it gave an error. Try to null and it's working. So we have determined that there are two columns in this. So if you are unable to understand this part, so I'll just provide a link down in the description where I have properly explained why I have done this, and you need to firstly do this, understand this lab to get into this advanced level. So just SQL injection attack to retrieve data from other tables, where I it's the first link in the description. Just go, and if you understand this, then you'll be able to understand this one as well. Okay, so in this website, when I'm typing null I get this response. Now rather than typing null, I'll type a, which is a string, in the first column, and I get an error. That means the first column is not compatible with string. It doesn't give string as an output. Now I'll try type string in the second column and I got the result. That means the second column is the only column which is compatible with string. So when I do this rather than a, now I'm going to type select. What I actually want to do is this query, which I want to do is select username and I want to select the passwords from this table called as users, which is there in this website. So this is just the default naming convention. Okay, so for example, this is a table with its first user as subs and the second user, which is the administrator, which has additional powers, and this is his password. So I want all of this information to be dumped, but since there is only one column which is compatible with string, I need to somehow combine these two results into one column. So to combine them, I can use this plus sign, but this is not Java, so I need to do something else. So if that something else is using this pipe command, so I'll do this pipe and I'll combine these two. So now you will see this result as subs 1 to 3, but now again you will have a confusion that which part is the username, which part is the password. So to avoid this confusion, I'll add something, a sign known as tilde between them, so that you can differentiate that this is the username, this is the password. So again I'm going to use string concatenation. I'll do this pipe sign, and in middle I will add this tilde sign. Okay, so just this, I'm going to take this as it is. I've copied this, and rather than taking the string a, I will demand for the username and the password from the users table. Now again, space is not allowed in a URL, so I have to type plus, and here too I'll type plus. So again, let me explain this thing. This is to break the URL union to get data from other tables, select, and the simple query. Okay, and let me send this, and I received a response, and let me just go and put it here, and see, as you can see, we have dumped every username and password which was there in their database. And yep, it's too cool now. So let's just take administrator's password because he has special rights on our website, and let's log in by his name. So administrator, and password is this one. Let's see, and hello administrator. So as you can see, we have like retrieved every password and username from the table using SQL injection union attack. And since there was only one table retrieving string, so we had to concatenate both of these results, which is the password and the username, and you were able to successfully do that. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. Link down in the description. Alright.